the 7 challenges I presented in this presentation, we need only 2 things in Australia. We need competition, and I'm very serious competition. So a small market like Australia cannot afford not having competition. We need competition. The second, we need to attract investments. I myself had to resign 3 times in 3 months to come to Australia because I wanted to stay here. I like the people here. Me, my wife, my family wanted to have an experience here. We are migrants, so we spent 10 years in Finland, Germany, Italy. I want to have an experience here. There was no way that Huawei and Nokia wanted to come to make me work here. No way to accept me as an head of technology global to stay in Australia. It's too small market, and also the time difference very challenging to make people here coordinate with the HQ located here, or the HQ located in here, or the R&D center located in here. Very, very different. So competition has to be in place. And the other way, we need to be keen on attracting investment. I'll show you 3 investments where I'm from, because I am a researcher, and only in Australia I found myself more into the high-level technology and cybersecurity. I come from here. You may click here later, and you will see what we were doing. We have designed 5G. So the 5G you were seeing here, Huawei contribution, they were mostly developed in my team in Munich and Ottawa with Dr. Tom. And that led the massive adoption, collaboration with Ericsson and other vendors, because only in Australia this organization fight. When I was working in Munich, we have projects that we work together. There is a reason why we're working together, because we are researching new problems. We want to innovate. True innovation is only possible when you have an ecosystem of players willing to invest. You may say you want to have education, yes. But if you only have books and talks, and you don't have investment on equipment, networks, elements, how can you move forward? As a result, most of the innovation comes where you do have this particular critical mass to obtain result. If you look at Huawei investments, which we have an attempt last year when we launched the Customer Solution Innovation Center in Australia before the ban. Now it's basically, I'm not able to use this simply because I don't have the government as a customer, so I'm not able to invest. But globally, it works extremely well. Joint innovation means that that's Dr. Tom, was my boss earlier when I was in Munich, work together with a customer to address and solve a particular problem bilaterally. Like this is, for example, Vodafone, or to be Telefonica. So they have their own problems, like he has his own capacity problem. We sit together and say, okay, let's have a look what kind of technology we can do. The second platform we have built globally with massive investments is on IoT. IoT means you need to have many players, from system integrator to the carrier to the one developing the applications and the devices. And that's the investment we are having, and now all those centers here are consolidating and becoming public clouds, because the IoT is no longer served as a local investment. What we do is we serve that as a marketplace through subscription. And then we have invested a lot on the X Labs. The X Lab was addressing the problem of making 5G business viable for connecting the big things, drones, telehealth care, for example, looking at the old people. And on cybersecurity, this is my last slide. Huawei is doing the same. So it's not like saying we don't need to look into this. Yes, we are very open into this. And our model is extremely simple. We target risk mitigation and transparency. I was in China last week, so in Shenzhen we have a large center of, it's called independent cybersecurity laboratory, independent from the different product lines. So it means any kind of product I've seen producing the P30 from zero, like all components in everywhere, to the one you can get it. It's a 200 meters chain. Or how many people work there? How many people do you think to make a P30? Give me a number.
Oh.
P30 from zero to the one you can have as a present. How many people? Huawei has?
Are you trying to trick me to talk right?
Yeah. How many people?
100.
100. So to make a P30, which is the best phone Huawei's in the Mate 30 coming, from zero, that you can even see it, even the software is whatever, to the one that at the end you have a robot that gives it to your hand. How many people do work into this single chain, do you think? 100. Other numbers?
A single device or how many
A
devices?
single, no, it produces 2,500 devices per day. One chain. There are many chains, up to 2 million per year. One chain, one line, from nothing to here, the telephone inside the box, ready for you to unpack. This is under 2,000 people.